Hi there everyone, my name is Tony from the NGS Academy team here at GCT. So I'm here at SANBI, the University of Western Cape, where we are running a 2-week bioinformatics in-person course. I'm here. Tell us about yourself.
Yeah, thanks. My name is Alaji Papasi from the Gambia, National Public Health Laboratory Services. Yes, first I would like to thank the entire, organizers and coordinators for giving us the opportunity to come to Sanbi for a two week long training on bioinformatics. Introducing us into different pipelines, workflows that will help us build capacity at our various countries to bridge the gap in terms of bioinformatic analysis. Yes.
Okay, great. Thank you very much. So just sort of tell us about your background. Did you study sort of science, biology in school for university? Was it more sort of computational, more biological side? How did you get into bioinformatics?
Yes. I'm not a science major. I'm not a biology major per se. I did computing at the University of the Gambia. Yeah. But I'm working in the National Health Laboratory Services. I've been opportune to interact with biologists and scientists, and then there was this opportunity the first time that I attended one training. I think yes, in SANBI here. It was in SANBI sometime last year. Yes, last year, and that really pushed me up to go in for bioinformatics. Though we know there's going to be some kind of gap in the science bit of it, but I'm trying to catch up by reading at my own to see how best that I can be able to correlate the bioinformatics and also the science bit. Yeah,
Okay, so you're sort of coming from a more computational
computational
background.
background. Yeah.
Yes, and so in Gambia, do they see a lot of bioinformaticians? I mean, this is a fairly new, emerging field like AI. So there's a lot of hype. There's a lot of, demand for them.
Yeah. Yes, in the Gambia, it is also, I think, basically the same in other countries. It's a new phenomenon, and I think few of the bioinformaticians we have there are working at MRC, that's the Medical Research Council, and there is no one working in the public sector. I think this is the gap that the Ministry of Health have realized, and we are working towards having more bioinformaticians, though I'm the only guy at the national level that has been opportune to attend. But plans are ongoing in making sure we see how best that we can increase the number as far as bioinformaticians are concerned to be able to help in bioinformatics analysis and be able to use that data to, for accurate decision making. Yeah.
Okay, so I think maybe last few questions. In 2020, we have seen COVID really took a havoc on the entire world, and I think a lot of the African countries were affected worse off than America, Europe, and that's because obviously we lack infrastructure, we lack expertise, from hospitals to public health sectors. We're much behind the developed countries. As someone who works in the field, what are you sort of number one, some advice for new people that might be coming into the field, and number two, what would you recommend for sort of Africa as a nation or country as a whole to have more bioinformaticians? What can we do to improve that?
Yes, I think that's very very important. I think SARS, like COVID-19 have teach us a lot of lessons as far as the African continent is concerned, and I think when it comes to the gap for sequencing was noticed, and so many interventions were done at the regional and continental level. So I think as Africans, I think we should be able to collaborate, increase the networking, the collaboration, be able to, because with networking, I think networking is one thing that is very, very important. It's just a matter of using the available resources that someone is having to, increase your capacity, both in terms of testing, in terms of bioinformatics, in terms of public health interventions. I think these are things that we should keep on doing though the pandemic has, ended, but yet we should be able to learn, get the best practices, where how we were able to, do more sequencing, do more bioinformatics analysis at the continental level, despite, countries like the Gambia didn't have that too much of sequencing platform. I think the platform that was that is available is at the Medical Research Council. Yes,
Limited.
yeah. So I think these are things that we should be doing more, both at the public health level, at the national level, at the continental level. I think this will really help us in able to respond to outbreaks, be able to respond to future pandemics, because we don't know what is coming next. So I think these things should continue, the collaboration should continue, the networking should continue, being at the every country as far as we are concerned.
Be better prepared
Prepared,
for pandemic,
pandemics,
have more skilled
skills,
individuals who can actually do the sequencing,
yeah,
do the analysis.
yeah. I think those things are very good. The capacity building is so very much important. We won't be able to know what are the circulating strains if these skills are not being developed, these skills are not being capacitated. So I think the skill development is very, very important.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay, great. No, that's thank you very much for your time, sir.
Yeah, thanks a lot.